In this video, I'll show you how to open a short trade on Bybit using the mobile app. First, open the Bybit app and log in. Make sure you have some USDT or another stablecoin in your derivatives/futures account. If your funds are in spot, tap Assets, then Transfer, and move them to Derivatives. Now, on the bottom menu, tap Derivatives or Futures. At the top, choose the market you want, like USDT Perpetual, then select a pair such as BTCUSDT or ETHUSDT. On the trading screen, check your margin mode, cross or isolated, and set your leverage. Be careful here. Higher leverage means higher risk. To open a short, make sure Sell/Short is selected, usually in red. Choose Market for a simple instant order, then enter the position size you want to trade. If you like, set take profit and stop loss levels to manage your risk. When everything looks correct, tap Sell/Open Short and confirm. You'll see your position under the Positions tab. To close the short later, you simply place a buy/long order on the same pair. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.